Hi, welcome to Brainmaster's teaching videos. Okay, today I have a question from one of the students. Okay, it's regarding differentiation. So just nice, I was doing a differentiation, so this student sent me this question. Okay, so here's the question. Given the curve y equals to 4x cubed minus 1 over x, find A, the gradient of the curve when x equals to 2 over 3, and B, the coordinates of the point where the gradient is horizontal. Okay, first let me just shift this up. Alright, so for this question is differentiation, so definitely we will need to do our dy dx. Alright, can you identify which one to do? Chain rule, product rule, or quotient rule? Yes, correct, you will have to use quotient rule. Okay, because of the fraction in the question, so this will be my first one and this is the second. Okay, so first my dy over dx is actually differentiate the top, which is 12x squared, multiply to x minus differentiate the bottom times the top, which is 4x cubed minus 1. Please do not forget your bracket because of the negative. So over bottom square. Okay, let's simplify this. So I will have 12x cubed minus 4x cubed plus 1 over x squared. Okay, so my dy dx will be 8x cubed plus 1 over x squared. So your dy dx here actually is the general equation for your gradient at any point on the curve. So for this question A, they want it particularly at x equals to 2 over 3. Alright, so for A, we will write when x equals to 2 over 3, okay, we need to sub this into our dy dx to find the value of the gradient at x equals to 2 over 3. So we have 8 2/3 cubed plus 1 over 2 over 3 square. Okay, in the case when you are not using the calculator, so your fractions you will need to be very clear at multiplying it. Okay, so in this case I will be using a calculator. So from here, okay, so your 8 times 2 over 3 cube, okay, then your answer plus 1. Okay, then you divide by 2 over 3 divided by 2 over 3, so you have 91 over 12. Okay, so if you write it this way, or you can also write it in 7 whole 7 over 12. So this will be your answer for the gradient of the curve. Okay, so let's look at B. B, they ask for the coordinate of the point where the tangent is horizontal. Okay, for the word, take note of this phrase here. Okay, tangent is horizontal. It actually means dy dx equals to 0. They can phrase it in a few different phrases for you, but one of it is this: tangent is horizontal, meaning your dy dx is 0. Hence, you need to find a coordinate, not just the x or the y, but a coordinate in the form of x and y. Alright, so first, okay, let me shift this up. Alright, so I'll just need to set my dy dx equals to 0. So my dy over dx is my 8x cubed plus 1 over x squared equals to 0. So here I'll do a cross multiply. So 8x cubed plus 1 equals to 0. Bring the 1 over and divide by 8. So our cube root both sides, and that will give me x equals to negative half. So since I have x equals to negative half, I will need to sub this in to my original equation, okay, to find me my coordinates. So since the equation is y equals to 4x cubed minus 1 over x, okay, and when x is now equals to negative half, okay, so I need to sub this in. So y equals to 4 multiply to negative half cube minus 1 over negative half. Okay, so let's put this in to our calculator, which means that it will be okay, do a little bit of mental. So negative 4 times 1 over 8, answer minus 1 and negative 0.5. Okay, so I'll have y equals to 3. So hence, therefore, my coordinates is, so in this case there's only one answer, so it's negative half and 3. Okay, so this will be my answer for B. Alright, so hope this question that the student sent will be a good example for you, that you can actually get to understand how you can make use of your dy dx to solve for this type of question. I do hope the solution helps in your understanding. Do you have any questions? Feel free to email me your questions to brainmasters.education@gmail.com. And if you find my video is helpful for you, do subscribe to my channel. Study hard!